Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my kitchen, guys. Today guys, we're going to be making ukwa. Another name for ukwa is African breadfruit. That is the English name. So you guys, before we start, I'm going to be telling you some of the things that this ukwa does. And oh my, some sweet on the why I really like it so much. So I like ukwa because it reduces blood pressure in the body. Its dietary fiber helps reduce cholesterol. It controls diabetes. It aids digestion. You guys, yeah, the fiber in breadfruit flushes out the toxins from the intestine, thereby aiding digestion. It prevents heartburn, it prevents ulcer and gastritis. It contains high amounts of omega-3 and omega-6. It can help relieve toothache. Yeah, it can do that. Drinking breadfruit helps to even out the skin tone and make your skin very beautiful. So there are lots of benefits. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys two very simple recipes that I use whenever I'm making ukwa, and that is exactly what I used here. I'm going to show you the two recipes and they are very simple. So guys, before I show you guys the ingredients, I'm going to wash this ukwa. So I'm using the dried ukwa. If you can find a fresh one, wow, that is so good. I'm using the dried one, so I have to wash it very well and make sure that I remove all the shafts from the water. So guys, I really had to take my time to wash this ukwa, and I washed it. I can't even count how many times I washed it because it is dry and it has a lot of shaft, and then I know that there are a lot of sand underneath it. So I took my time and made sure I washed it more than 6-7 times. Then as soon as the water is very pure and clean, I'll now put them in my pot and then pour some water and start cooking it. So guys, if you have a pressure pot, it is okay to cook it for just 30 minutes. But if you don't have a pressure pot, just wash till the end. So guys, I'm using 4 cups of this ukwa. So while the ukwa is cooking, I'm going to show you guys the recipe. So I have here ogiri. This ogiri is optional. If you like, you use it. If you don't like, it's not compulsory. Then I have some chili pepper. I have my sweet corn. I have liquid maggi here. Then I have Ugba, you guys. I have some potash, which is also a cow. Then I have some salt. I have my fish here, and then some spinach leaves. I'm going to be listing all this in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. So after about 10 minutes, guys, I'm going to be checking the ukwa, and you guys can see that it is still very tough. So I'm going to be adding potash. The reason why I'm adding the potash is because it will help it to cook faster, so I'm going to be adding potash, and the quantity I'm adding is just very little. I just assume that this quantity is okay because I know that adding it too much is not so good. You won't be able to eat it the way you would have eaten it if it's not so much. So I'm adding this quantity. You guys can see the quantity I'm adding right now. Yeah, in a separate pot, I'm going to be adding my already washed dry fish. Then I'll add a little salt. I added some chili pepper, and then I'm also going to be adding the liquid maggi. So I'm going to cover this and allow this dry fish to cook and soften up a little for at least 7 to 8 minutes. So back to the ukwa that I'm preparing, you guys. This is over 1 hour now. Because I am not using a pressure pot, it takes time, but with the pressure pot it doesn't take so much time. So this is about 1 hour now, and you guys can see that the ukwa is almost done, but it's still going to take another, maybe let's assume another 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So I'm just going to take about 2 cups. I'll assume I'm taking about 2 cups and put into the pot of my already boiling dry fish. Once I take out that, I'm just going to add a little water to this plain one, the one that doesn't have anything in it. You guys know that I'm showing you 2 different recipes. So once I add a little water to it, I'll cover it. So guys, in this second pot, I've already added the sweet corn, I've added some Ugba in it, and then I added my Ogiri igbo. And then I'm now going to add a little salt and then some pepper, some chili pepper, and I'll cover this and allow it to cook for a while. Sorry guys, I didn't show you guys when I was adding them. So finally, I'm just going to be adding some spinach leaves. I decided not to cut my spinach leaf. I just added them that way, and then I'll cover this and allow this to cook for at least 20 minutes while I'm also, opening and checking to see if the ukwa is already soft and ready. So guys, if you have bitter leaves, you can add bitter leaves, but I have spinach, I don't have bitter leaves, so that's why I'm using the spinach leaves. And also the leaf part is optional. If you like, you can add your leaves, but if you don't like, you can eat it without the leaves. But I really like it with some leaves in it, and the spinach leaf is, one very good one. So guys, after about 20 minutes, I'm going to be checking the one in the first pot, the plain one. So guys, at this time, it is so ready. Like, the aroma is so everywhere in this kitchen. The aroma is so nice. And then I checked it is very soft. Yeah, it is very soft and ready to eat. So this is just ready to eat. You don't need to add any other thing. A lot of people like their ukwa very plain. You don't add anything. So guys, this is so ready. I'm going to put off my gas, and this is ready to serve. Anybody can eat this, for people that love plain ukwa. Then in the second pot, you guys can't even imagine the aroma I'm getting from the second pot. Like, the Ogiri gave it a different kind of aroma, and then the dry fish in it, like everything in it, just gave it a very different aroma. And I don't know, I feel like this is just the best for me. This is the way I love to eat my ukwa. I love to add Ugba. I love to add Ogiri igbo. I just love to add all these things to spice it up, And then the pepper in it is another thing that I really like. So this is the second pot. After 20 minutes, it is also ready. You guys can see that it is so ready. So you can serve this ukwa with any kind of drink you like. You can also add some meat. You can add some already, fried meat to it, or any kind of meat you like. So guys, this ukwa is ready. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in. Please do like this video and share this video if you like it, and then also send a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for always tuning in, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.